let's see, Sky Garden within the city of London. On this day, I woke up very early in the morning to prep myself because I had a flight to catch at around 2 p.m. I think, from London back to Doha. So to kill time in between, I decided to visit few places within London city. So since I'm not from around here, I had to use Google. So I searched free things to do in London. So free is the keyword, you guys. So Sky Garden came on top along with other places which are free, by the way. So here I am. Here's a tip you already know. To go inside, you need to book online and get a free ticket, from Sky Garden's website and all of that. I did not do that, so I had to be on a waiting list. On the day, there were two queues. One for those who booked online and got a free ticket, and two, well, for people like me who just rocked up without really reading the fine print. Here you go through security checks. Security in this building is very much detailed. It gives you some sort of airport security vibes. But anyway, here we are through the lift and floor 35. Welcome to Sky Gardens. So this is a walk-in tour, so you will hear less of my voice going forward. Just know that Google and other YouTubers did not lie to you. Up here, it's amazing. The place is very beautiful, as you can see. It gives you 360 view of the city of London. So I'm gonna plug you with some music and enjoy the tour. I forgot to tell you about the food. The food up here is very delicious. The coffee or whatever you decide to get to drink, it's very delicious, but quite pricey. Anyway, if you do have some extra cash and you want to spend, why not? And that's all from me. That's all from Sky Gardens. That's all from this channel. If you enjoyed the video or not, please like, and overall please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much love. Thanks.